What, are you filming it? That's a lot of smoke. Maybe it's on fire.
I was going to say that's something you don't see every day, but you probably do here.
Yeah, can't tell if it's an A380 or a...
No, it's the Dreamlifter.
Oh, that one is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it is. Probably go over there with that other Dreamlifter. So can
I think there's only 4 of them, right?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, half of them here.
Just come in from Charleston.
Huh, that's not...